So I just wanted to share my makeup look that I have for everyday wear. I'm first starting with a setting spray and primer from e.l.f. The primer feels really like sticky but not too cakey when the concealer sets in. I'm using a concealer from Maybelline and a foundation from L'Oreal. I'm going in with my blending brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just putting on my foundation after my concealer. And then I also am using a Morphe palette for my shadow and an Urban Decay eye primer. And it's a very simple look. It's not too overdone. I'm just using some natural colors on my eyelids from the 910 palette from Morphe. And then this time I'm not doing my brows. I'm just brushing them out and kind of cleaning them up and going in with a favorite famous mascara that I love to use. And then I'm setting everything with a Revolution finishing powder on the under eye, and it looks really good. Like, I love just doing my everyday makeup, very simple and clean, not too crazy. And then I'm also going in with another finishing powder. Use Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer and contour. This looks really good. Like, I'm actually shocked. And then I'm also going in with the blush. I'm just using a very short Revlon blush brush and just cleaning up those brows again and setting my face. I love using this like lip gloss that I got from Ulta. It's just so hydrating. And I also like laid my hair down. I didn't really retwist my locks or anything, so I just laid it with a nice gel and some moisturizer. And here's the finished look. Ooh, cute. Okay. I see you, girl. Thank you all for joining me. Bye.